Hey guys, how's it going? Zimmer here. And today I wanted to show you yet another project that is fairly small. It's considered a microcap. Anything under $10 million in market cap is a microcap. But in this case, the token price is not so we buy it, trade it, stake it, sell it, whatever we do with it. It's mostly that you get rewarded in that token for free. Here's how it works. They recently announced their phase 2 timeline. Before we go into that in detail, here's what it's about. It's the easiest way to earn crypto, get paid for surfing web using Cirus, the easiest wallet in crypto. All you do, and I generally mean that, is you install the extension. That's it. So you get that for Apple, Android, or on your Chrome-based browser, have it installed, and you get rewarded in Cirus tokens every single day while you use your internet anyways. Which means there's no downside for you. You install it once and just start farming tokens. It turns your data into dollars. Your data is valuable and you've been giving it away for free for too long. Why not take control and get paid for it? Every single time you use any website, they track how long you stayed, who you are, your Google account, your demographics, anything that is available. And if your data is being sold anyways by every single big company out there, then you might as well get paid for it. And you cannot just get some tokens in that. You can also store your ETH, your Bitcoin, slop it in there. And over time, grow your score, kind of like growing a credit score, and unlock more features and boost by your earnings, enjoy a more personalized experience tailored to you. There used to be lots of sites like 10, 15 years ago in Web 2 that reward you for the extension that you had, or something like a search engine that they programmed themselves that paid you back in coins or tokens, or you could select points on their site, which can then be redeemed for gift cards or for balance on different apps, for a discount on different websites. And in here with crypto, it's a lot easier. You install the wallet and that's it. You have to set it up once and get rewarded for it. And the token is at less than 500k, but I think this can easily go beyond 5, 10, 50 mil once there are some big investors that come in and buy back some of the tokens, burn some of the supply, and get this rolling yet again. Get audited by hacking, and every single day that goes by, one of the token goes up or out, it pays you regardless. In their phase 2 timeline, this whole cycle, they revealed a couple different things. For example, in the week of September 8th, they have a major token burn that is happening. They have a CEX and DEX integration. They'll also have a ref program behind it, token update, more crests on Galaxy, partnership that is yet secret, additional crests, and more to come. They also mentioned there are partnerships with Redacted and Redactive, as they might bring in some pretty big partners that are yet to be announced. Now, I wanted to show this in a quick video because it's free. That means when they say things like that, like put your building on X payments UI, one makes Cirus or not be currencies, you never know. They could have DX-like infrastructure that is needed for bigger companies and websites to be integrated with, that then easily get adopted and put into mainstream. Also, the current token price is just so easy to roll off. If they have like one marketing campaign of some people getting back into it and sharing this on YouTube with more and more users coming in, more advertisers and people that pay for data joining this whole program, then a 10x is almost guaranteed. They say in crypto, look at teams and look at the quality of a product and set up just the current price. And if you were to do so, you will see the quality in here as well. It's free to download and there's nothing really to lose. So I would say check it out for yourself, read through it, watch some more videos and see if this is something for you. In the worst case, you get free money. And in the best case, you get free money. So I don't see how you can lose in here. I'll see you guys fairly soon with more things that you can try it for free that reward you in a good way. And until then, bye guys.